Hi, welcome to the Legal Lexicon Academy. Today we are talking about Section 6 of Civil Procedure Code 1908. Did you know that not every court can hear every case? Every court has a specific legal limit and they must stay within that limit to pass a valid judgment. So the big question is, what is this limit and who decides it? Today we are diving into one of the most fundamental sections of Civil Procedure Code, Section 6 CPC. Let's start with the core rule, Section 6 CPC, which states that a court cannot hear a case if the monetary value of that case exceeds the limit set for that specific code by the law. In simple terms, every judge is given a price bracket. If your case is worth more than that bracket, the judge cannot touch it. To understand this section, you need to know these three important terms. First one is pecuniary jurisdiction. Pecuniary means money related and jurisdiction means authority. So this is the financial authority of a court. Second pillar is valuation of the suit. This is the value you put on your case. It is a crucial step because your valuation decides which court will hear your matter. Third pillar is return of the plaint, Order 7 Rule 10 CPC. If you accidentally file a case in the wrong court, the judge wouldn't dismiss it. Instead, they will return it to you so you can file it in the correct court. He will not entertain it. Let's make it easy with an example. I am going to make an example. So imagine a civil judge class 2 has a pecuniary jurisdiction of up to 1 million rupees, means 10 lakh rupees. If your claim in your suit is for 8 lakh rupees, you are in the right place because the provincial government has given this pecuniary jurisdiction to the class 2 judge. But if your claim is for 2 million rupees, 20 lakh rupees, this judge cannot hear your case. You must go to the senior judge who has the authority for that amount. Here are two things you must remember. One is parties cannot change the law. You and other party cannot simply agree to give a court jurisdiction if the law hasn't given it. Means both you are agreed to get the law and judgment from this court, it cannot be done. And second one is valuation accuracy. As a lawyer, your biggest responsibility is to value the suit correctly. A wrong valuation can delay your case for months or even years. This is our experiment. So this is the section 6, and if we may conclude it to section 6, or if we may wrap up the section 6, that is CPC. The section 6 CPC ensures that the judicial system stays organized. It teaches us that choosing the right forum is the first step toward justice. Do you follow me what I have told you in this section? So this is the conclusion. This is the section 6 CPC. If you found this explanation and this video helpful, make sure to like my video, like this video, share it with your fellow law students, and be the part of our community. Subscribe to our channel for more simplified legal lessons. Thanks a lot.